So I wanted to be a good teacher. And in order to do that, I just started painting myself and to learn of observation, and you can see how well it's going. Oh, yeah, really well. But at the same time, I was doing the narrative paintings like this based on ideas about mythology. This is the birth of Aphrodite in Cythera, and so on and so forth. So I'm doing this to be a better teacher. Oh, my God. And but these are the paintings. I'm having a little tiny career in Chicago, and this is a 12-foot painting based on the Homeric hymn to Demeter, the return of Persephone from the underworld. So that's what I'm doing, and I think that's my work. But to be a better teacher, here I am. And uh-oh. But believe me, it wasn't easy. And, you know, just kept hacking away at it. Finally, I could see a little bit of color after the Lucy and Freud show at the Corcoran, but still not going so well. And here, it was again a one-shot painting that I felt had some interiority, but it was still pretty sucky. But then the next day, this happened. And I wanted to say to the young artists in the room, breakthroughs can occur at any time. They can take, for me it took a long time to be able to develop vocabulary, but the actual manifestation was just one day. So you have to be working all the time in order to take advantage of the breakthrough. I know this is a cliche and stuff your teachers tell you, but it's literally true.